and are the battlefield taxi of the infantry. A squad would be carried in the back and taken into battle under light armoured protection. They weren't expected to fight from the vehicle, but would dismount. This particular vehicle has a automatic gearbox, a Rolls-Royce multi-fuel engine. Owned by Ian and Carol Davis from the Dolmen. An army and fits neatly between the Jeep and the GMC. Used for troop and load carrying. The tractor, and as I was then laid to rest in a wooded grave until rescued by its present owner. And interestingly, the restoration of this vehicle was documented on the Discovery Channel's Wreck Rescue programme. The RAF owned her in the early 50s